Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today we've got a pretty fun install. Today we've got Cusco bracing, power braces for the Lexus RCF. I mean, it's pretty simple. You just replace the one underneath in the middle. I'll show you more a little bit later, and the one underneath the engine. Should be a pretty easy install, so let's get to it. What we're replacing today is this mid-cross member brain thing. I don't know what to call it, but mid-cross member power brace. It's gonna be power brace now. But remove the 10s, and the other one is in here somewhere, so I gotta replace all this. So let's begin taking everything out. Got a 10mm. Let's go. Yeah. It's a lot. So many of these. I think this is a pretty straightforward install. I would hope it is, because it's, I mean, just a bunch of 10mm, a bunch of these bolts, those bolts, everything should be okay. All right. Let's get in there. They'll remove those clips later. Let's see what else. I'm missing something right there. Yeah, I'm missing a lot of bolts and stuff, but I will fix this. I will fix my deficiency. That's good, that's good. Oh, and we gotta do this one. Okay, let's see what happens. I forgot one more. Maybe I don't need to take those other ones off, or maybe I do. Let's see, what am I replacing? I know I'm replacing this. Oh, I'm replacing that. I'm adding that to that. Oh, that should make it really rigid. That should be pretty good. Wow, I've never seen underneath there before. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've never seen it underneath. But get your radiator drain right there, oil filter. Wow. Okay. I don't know how to really remove these other than using a screwdriver, so I guess screwdriver. Let's try it out. Oh. All right. I have no idea if that's gonna break, but I'm too lazy to. It's not coming off. I should have removed that first, but it's exposed. Gonna take this off, take that off. Let's mount this thing. So I'm gonna do the front one because I think it's the easier one. So far, this one is giving me a lot of trouble, fitment issues. But these look pretty plain simple. 12. And then some more 12s. That's another 12. And another 12. It's a direct bolt-on here, to there, to there. So I'm gonna make this thing work. All right, this is gonna work. All right, that goes in there. It goes in there. That one there. This thing, gotta pull this back, but I'll find it eventually. This one and this one. Oh, tags off. Okay. Huh. So So far, so good. Mount it, mount it. Alright, now torque it to spec. These pieces you do gotta remove. It's stuck to there, but these are all axe looking things as one whole piece. Alright, we finally got this thing all buttoned up. Kinda sucks, not too hard. Let's start with the easiest ones. These are 14 millimeters. Let's go. These are kind of tough. Pretty sure I tightened it too much when I was installing my exhaust. Alright, got this one out already. Gotta get this one out. Just gonna finish the process. I'm getting lazy. If I keep those in, it'll hold it. This one's probably seized. Got all those out. Now let's get the 12s. Get the 12s out. Alright, it's taking too long too. Man, this ain't looking bad. I'm using my head to support this. Okay. Old one's out. Let's get the new one. Whew. Power brace. Cusco Power Brace. Come on. Oh, I even have to remove that one. Interesting. Left side, right side. Okay, let's put this thing in. doing the 17 first because to me it's the easiest. I do have to use my head-tip stabilizers. So what I'm experiencing is that, well, you know, this lines up, like these two line up, this line up, that line up, but this does not line up at all. It does not line up at all. Same for this side. It does not align. Maybe I have to make new holes or something. Probably have to make new holes, but that would, the integrity of it, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth doing. I mean, I'm talking about like new holes into the Cusco bar, like, cause this is not working. But you know what? It might be something that I have to do. I guess I'm gonna put the old one back on. All right, guys, that's me for today's video. Thank you for watching. It was a success and a fail, but I will work on getting that brace installed. So, if you guys have any questions, please comment below. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next one. Peace.